In this quick Practice Better tutorial, we're going to dive into how to optimize your Practice Better pages for better conversions. If you're using Practice Better and want to see more signups, bookings, or sales, stick with me till the end because I've got some tips that can make a real difference, plus a little bonus for you as well. Let's start with the first thing, your call to action. If you want people to take action, you need a clear, compelling CTA on your Practice Better page. Whether it's to book a consultation, sign up for a program, or make a purchase, your CTA should be above the fold, meaning visitors don't have to scroll down to see it. Make it bold and action oriented. Something like start your free trial or book your free consultation now can help push users in the right direction. Next, think about your landing page design. Practice Better provides some customization options, but it's still easy for things to get cluttered. Less is more here. Keep your page simple, clean, and focused on what matters most, the value you're offering. A tidy design with strategic use of white space can help your visitors focus on the main offer. The third thing is to optimize for mobile. Since Practice Better is used by many wellness professionals, your pages will likely get traffic from mobile devices. If your pages aren't responsive, you could lose potential customers. Check how your page looks on a phone and ensure buttons are easy to click, images load correctly, and the content isn't too cramped. Next up, the power of testimonials. Social proof can be huge when it comes to conversions. If you've helped clients or patients, showcase their feedback right on your page. Practice Better lets you add testimonials in several places, but the most effective ones are right under your main call to action, proving that real people have had success with your service. The fifth thing to focus on is making the booking process as smooth as possible. Practice Better offers scheduling tools, but you need to make sure it's easy for your visitors to pick a time and book. The more friction you can remove, the better. Try to reduce the number of clicks it takes to book and avoid having too many options that could overwhelm your visitors. Next, let's talk about your pricing page. Transparency goes a long way. If you offer multiple pricing tiers, make sure the difference between them is crystal clear. You don't want users to get to the checkout page and be surprised by hidden fees or unclear pricing structures. Practice Better allows you to integrate pricing and packages, so use it to your advantage. And here's the final point, follow up with your leads. If someone visits your Practice Better page but doesn't take the action you want, don't give up just yet. Setting up an automated follow-up sequence through email or SMS can help remind them about what they're missing out on, whether that's an exclusive offer, a free consultation, or just a reminder about your service. It's a simple way to get potential clients to come back and convert. No, I want to be real with you. While Practice Better has its strengths, it's not the only option out there, especially when it comes to optimizing for conversions. If you're truly serious about scaling, I've got a better recommendation that can help you reach your goals faster and easier. Stay tuned for that, because through our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial of this alternative. The best part? I'm also sharing some amazing alternatives with even more advanced features that can help you get even better results in a way Practice Better simply can't match. They also come with a free trial, and you'll get the best deal through the link in the description. This offer is exclusive to our viewers, so don't miss out. That's it for this quick tutorial. Make sure to check out the link for your exclusive benefits and start optimizing your pages for better conversions today.